Hi guys, what's up? It's Destiny and
the bitch queen.
So we're at the beach. We haven't made a vlog in a long time, and Valentina is just going to basically record me boogie boarding, and we're going to be doing random shit today. So yeah, you miss us? Yeah, we haven't uploaded in almost a year.
Okay, so that is my boogie board, by the way.
Are you recording outwards?
Yeah, I'm recording
Okay.
that one. I won't.
I know. You can zoom in and run, right?
Yeah, I think I can. Yeah, I can see you. Whoa! Almost fell there. Let's watch this. Hi! Let's watch it catch some big waves. That was a small wave, but okay. That was a small wave, but okay. I think you can do better.
I know. I just went for the first thing I saw.
Don't fuck you up. But okay.
That was beautiful. You got two of them.
Yes, honey. No, I think good.
Yes, Tina, slay. Well, if you have like a certain case, then I can put effects on it and put it dramatic.
Got it? Yeah, you got it.
Yeah. Tina. Tina.
What?
Hello.
There you go. Now.
Why the hell not? Ew.
What?
Hair. Is that yours? It looks dark.
I don't know. We have the same hair.
So, what do you want to do for the vlog?
This.
I haven't uploaded in forever.
I'm very proud of the chick behind the camera. You actually look behind you?
Yeah, I could be dumb sometimes.
Yeah, I
but
can tell. It is getting yucky in here. It's hard to find a big wave.
Wait.
You'll know when it's a good wave. You look like a lifeguard with that.
oh my god, I'm saving little kids from being idiots.
What is she doing?
Wave. Okay.
Should I go in deeper? Sure, if you want the big ones.
Yes, yes. There we go. There we go.
The bug just bite me? How dare you idiots?
You want me to record you doing something soon?
Sure.
This is just a boogie boarding vlog. Like, hey, watch some waves.
More.
Queen of burps.
See, so now a starfish just lying on. Oh, she moved. Now we got a baby crying. To flush out your eyes. That was very dangerous of me. What? It was dangerous of me to do that. You're going on the board to ride some waves. I can't see where she is. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. You get it. You get it. You get it. You get it. You honey. What has gone into you? Honey, I think we should take a break. Yeah, she's trying. She's away. That one. Yeah. There we go, okay? There we go. What? I think we should take a break. You're getting tired, I can tell.
We're having a lot of fun. I'm going to go. I think we're ready.
Yes. There we go.